Boys and girls, many of you think that math is only done in the classroom. In our show, we're going to explore how math is used all around us. We'll practice doing mental math in everyday situations and learn how to solve a word problem in a very easy way. So, buddy, let's hit the road and get ready to beat the clock.
Welcome, boys and girls, to this week's edition of Beat the Clock. We have two fine-looking boys here. Would you introduce yourselves?
Sure. I'm Jack, and I'm from Miss Parkley's class.
Welcome.
I'm Caleb Cullen, and I'm from Miss Parkley's class.
Welcome. Boys, we have a word problem here. How many times do we read a word problem?
Three.
Three times. Who would like to read it the first time? Okay, Caleb, go ahead.
Jack and Caleb each caught 3 fish. However, 2 got away. How much fish were left?
All right, the first time we read it, we try to just get a picture in our head. So I'm picturing you two boys. And I'm picturing you fishing, and you caught 3 fish, and I guess some fish got away. I've got that in my mind now. The second time we read it, what should we do?
We should mark the text.
We should mark the text, so anything that's really important. So we should read the second time. So go ahead. Let's do the second time.
Jack and Caleb each caught 3 fish.
All right, 3 fish is pretty important, okay?
However, 2
Ooh,
got away.
what does that mean they got away? 2 got away.
Like they swam away.
Ooh, they swam away, okay.
How many fish were left?
Okay, so how many can you take home for dinner? All right, have you figured out how to do it yet?
Yes.
You have?
Yeah.
Would it help to maybe see something to help us?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Got any ideas?
Like an equation or a picture.
Maybe an equation, a picture, or maybe, could we act this out?
Yeah.
Oh, any ideas on how we could act it out?
We could go to my house.
Why would we go to your house?
Because I have a boat.
And I have rocks.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.
Boys, we've only read this problem 2 times. How many times should we read it?
3!
Well, Jack, I'm going to let you read this problem the 3rd time. Go ahead.
Jack and Caleb each caught 3 fish. However, 2 got away. How many fish were left?
Okay, let's see if we can kind of act this problem out. Well, we've got Jack and we've got Caleb. And you each caught how many fish?
Each caught 3.
3 fish. Do you happen to have those 3 fish?
Yes.
Where are they?
They're in this.
We do have them. Let's show the children our fish. So turn around and show the children. All right, but what happened?
2 of our fish. One of me and Caleb's fish got away.
So 2 got away. So how many will be left?
4.
4 are left. Well, guys, what happens if you don't have real fishing rods, or a boat? What could you do?
You could draw a picture.
Well, I would like to have you explain how to draw a picture and grid it. All right, Caleb, what do you know in this problem?
Know that
Okay, go ahead. You know what?
we have 2 boys.
2 boys, okay?
Each boy caught 3 fish.
And
But 2 fish got away.
what are you supposed to find out, Jack?
You need to find out the number of how many fish are left.
Perfect. And what is this equation, Caleb?
3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4.
So that's a 2-step problem, isn't it?
Yes.
And let's see if it makes sense. I noticed that you drew this great picture. Can you describe it to the children?
There are 2 boys. Each boy caught 3 fish.
Okay, so we've got 3 fish, okay, and 3 fish.
They lost. I lost one and Jack lost one.
Okay, so these 2 fish got away. So how many are left?
Well, we have to do an equation. So 6 minus 2 equals 4.
Good illustration. So if you don't understand, think about how you could act it out or even draw a picture. Until next time, have a good week, and we'll see you next week on Beat the Clock. Be sure you subscribe to our channel so you can come along with us to our next location. I hope you'll try what you've learned today so you can
Beat the clock!